English on the Gambler. And the loose change. All right, green light, green flag, John Nickel, and the loose change. And the Buck Eater. Tractor marked to beat 323.41. New Crittenden on the full throttle. Sounded like it was either way up on the RPM or it was just missing, but 300 feet even. 300 feet even. It was John Nickel with the loose change. Coming in number 2 was Kevin English on the Gambler. Number 3, Rocky Meadows on the Buck Eater. Number 4, Chad Steele with Big Mama Paul. Competitors in the 6,400-pound First Street class and the Hot Street Eagle class.
Well, I'm going to take a little problem. I lost oil pressure back in the pit area, so we drained the oil, checked the filter, went on back, and then I said, you know what, let me talk to my engine builder. I got a warranty on the motor. I said, I'm going to run it until it blows up, so my warranty is still good. But I lost oil pressure right there in the last 20 feet, and I said, I'm in it to win it. I just kept my right arm in it. Red light came on, let me know my oil pressure was below 20, and I said, guess what we're going to do over next week? We're going to pull the motor down. So, you, engine builder, I got to get him a warranty ready. So once again,